All right, everyone, we're talking about holiday cooking. We have the turkey here. We're gonna feature the Signature Kitchen Suite wall oven using the Gourmet AI feature. So the Gourmet AI feature is gonna recognize what we're putting in here with the camera. So there's a camera actually in there, so it'll select the right mode, the desired doneness, and really walk you through the steps to make a perfect meal every time. So let's check it out and see how this works. Okay, we're gonna put our turkey in the oven. All right, turkey's in. We're gonna close the oven door and it's gonna recognize what we're cooking. It scanned it, it recognized the food, and it gives us options. So, the chicken will look whole turkey, spatchcock turkey, or whole with stuffing. So we're gonna go whole turkey right here, highlight that, okay? Then it's gonna show us for about 2 hours, it kind of gives us like an info button of it, We'll hit next, it'll show us where to put it. Next, it'll say insert the roast probe, and we'll put it in the thickest part right there. And then we'll do that right now. Okay, roast probe's going into the thickest part right here. Roast probe's inserted, so we'll hit next. Then it'll ask us for the whole time, the cooking start time. We'll just hit start. Now, what we're gonna look at is it's gonna tell us what we're cooking. Whole turkey, the internal temp right now, the roast probe is on our left at 58. The desired temp is 180, and it's at 325 now. So we'll just monitor this process, turn the light on, and watch the work. All right, we're gonna let this turkey cook and we'll check out the results at the end. Oven just beeped, you can hear that chime. Turkey's done, let's check it out, see how great it looks. Okay, here's our final product, and this is really what we want to see. We want to see a perfectly golden brown turkey, and here is with the AI recognition. Look at that, like golden brown from edge to edge. We'll let this sit 15 minutes before, but this is very easy, very convenient cooking, with the AI recognition software. So, chef's super excited about this, and you can enjoy the holidays now.